Eric Thomason with Blue Nail Enterprises, your home improvement and restoration experts. So we are here today and I want to share a little bit with you guys about how we can help homeowners and business owners get the most out of their insurance claims. So very often insurance companies will make an offer disguised in the form of an estimate. And lots of insureds believe that, hey, I'm in trouble. I have to figure out how to do this work for what my insurance company's paid, and that is rarely the case. What we're able to do, having been in this industry for so long and helped so many people, we actually help them make sure that that offer is legitimate so that they can restore their home or business exactly how it was before the storm event or the calamity happened. So I'd like to share some information with you about how we're able to do that and just give you some concrete proof of what I'm telling you. So if we take a look here, this particular example, we can see that this particular customer, their original offer from their carrier was $62,712. Once we reviewed the scope of work and made sure that we went back with all of the items it takes to get that customer back to zero, we were able to change that total claim dollar value to $93,018. This is a significant amount of money that their insurance company was just going to keep. But you know what? They hired the right company. They hired Blue Nail, and we were able to increase that claim amount for them so that they could get all of the work done for that insurance company's estimate. And they don't have to settle to take someone that maybe won't do the work correctly. Another example I'll share with you guys, we have a client that started out with $17,028 with their original offer. Their original offer was obviously deficient. So we went through, we did the homework, we built the file, we sent it up to their insurance company and let them know, hey, what you've offered is not an adequate amount to perform the repairs. Once we were complete, their actual claim was $43,486. And so that's a significant amount of money. We're talking about $26,000 that was just not paid on the original claim. So it's super important, again, that you hire the right company that understands these things and can help you get the amount of money you need. So the last example I'd like to share with you is one that started out at $69,472. Again, once we scoped the job, found out exactly what it takes to put this customer back where they need to be, that increase was significant, almost 100% to $134,233. So I would just say, don't let your insurance company make you settle for an offer. Hire the professionals, hire Blue Nail Enterprises, and allow us to help you make sure that you get everything paid for the way it's supposed to be so that your house can be back exactly like it was before. You can find us on the web at bluenailroofing.com, or you can reach out to us at 469-726-2176.